Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Make a bold statement on your Wix website by adding an eye-catching banner. This video will show you how to create and customize banners that grab attention, promote your content, or highlight special offers, enhancing your site's visual appeal. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, the first thing that you have to do is to go ahead and open your site. So go to Wix, select the site and click on edit the site. After that, the dashboard will reopen, then click on design site so you can open the design or the page builder of Wix. Now, usually your website will already come with a banner which is gonna be in the top of your site, which for example for us, this is the one. Now, this banner is basically for us made as a section. So it is a background, it is this one. As you can see right here, there's multiple gradient colors that are basically being put around the site to make such vibe in the website. Now, for us, we would like to change it and to do something from scratch. So how can we do such a thing? Well, first of all, let me just click on remove, and as you can see, everything went away. Now, to start editing it, first of all, you have to click on change background. Click on change background. Right through here, you will have three main options, which are to add the color, which is right through here, and this will allow you to do gradients. As you can see here, you can put a lot of colors, random colors, add black, darker color here for example. You can even like control C, control V. If you want to add more colors, then obviously you can. Let me just reduce this for example, add here another color. So you can keep adding colors as you wish and as you want, so nothing will ever stop you. So as you can see here, we can add another solid color, for example right here. You can basically just keep spamming, and once you feel like you like it, well then you'll be able to save it as a background. So let me just make it like that. Let me just reduce the opacity of this one. And yeah, this looks like a decent starting point. Alright, now for the banner, as I said, it could be either color or picture or video. So for us now we are going with the background. So with the background color, it is still empty. We still have to add elements into it. For example, let's say that you are selling mobile phones, or basically you are the company of Apple. I'm gonna search for iPhone 15 PNG. And basically what I'm gonna do is have it downloaded. So I'm gonna just basically get it just like that. If it is possible to download it as PNG, yep, it is possible. So let's just put it iPhone. I'm gonna put it in here, iPhone, and what I'm gonna do is try to drag it if it is possible. Yeah, it has been dragged. So now we simply have to wait for it to load, and we can start changing it. So for example, I'm gonna work on the layout. So it's gonna be, for example, here in the middle. We can click here to edit the image. You can add brightness into it. You can reduce the brightness. You can add filters. You can change even the color if you want of this using these pictures or these filters. For example, you can make it blue, you can make it a little bit gold, you can make it like that. I think I'm gonna make it like that and save it. Let's see how it's gonna turn out with the background. Okay, there it is. You can work with the background again. Go to background, go to the settings, click on it, and try to add, for example, some black thing behind the mobile, so it can have a good like basically a blur behind it, or like something like a light behind it that lights it up, you can finally here add a text which is gonna be in the banner of our site. So we're gonna go here to add element and add a text, make it a heading. Now let's put it right over here. Let's add another text and put it in here, and let's grab another one. Let's put it right as a button, and let's put it right over here, as you can see, right there. And now using the spacing, make sure guys that you are leaving some space. So for example, when you see this line, make sure the lines are meeting up, nothing is inside of the other element box. Make sure to change the color of the buttons to have basically a good colorish thing. So I'm gonna keep it green, for example. Let's add a new color, and let's try to let me just go add new, and let's edit it. In general, I would like it to be a little bit green. Not the menu. I don't know how I clicked on the menu, but yeah, the button. I want the button itself. Let me just click here, edit design, custom design, background fills, color, and I want this one. Alright, perfect. That's exactly what I want. Here you can, for example, have a title, have this idea, get your Apple now, and basically a couple of texts that can match your banner, and that's gonna be pretty much it. Now this is for the first step. The second step is basically by adding an image. So you can go to image, click on it, and you can go to media from Wix. Here you can download the media that are existing already in Wix and add it to your own background in your banner. So this is going to be working as your banner, which is something functional. You could use it. You can change it to a picture that you own or not. And the third thing that you could use is basically by clicking on change, and you can use a video instead of an image or color. So you can use one of these three options to make a banner inside of Wix, or you can skip everything and basically let the AI create a custom image for you. So you can click on create AI image, but this requires a premium version. So make sure that you have a premium version so you can get the access to this AI and create very attractive and good looking images. Sometimes it will not give you the best results since it is only in the beta form of it. And yeah guys, that was it for today's video. See you guys in the next tutorial.